I recently attended an autocross in Franklin, North Carolina, hosted by the Highlands Sports Car Club, where I met some very nice people with some very fast cars, like Marcus Stucker's Inferno Orange Camaro SS, Jerry Lynn Foster's beautiful Roush 427 Track Pack Mustang, and Nico Stucker's Camaro 1LE. So this was some of the competition I was up against in KMC. I was there in the big 300 with a few of my buddies representing the Mopar crowd. Here in just a second, you're going to go for a ride in the back seat of the 300 on a couple of my fastest runs of the day. And yes, I got my two fastest runs of the day with a little bit of rain coming down. And here's the same run as if you were strapped to the roof. This next run was my actual fastest run of the day, but I hit a cone after the timing beam, which resulted in a DNF. And here's that same run, again, as if you're strapped to the roof. I ended up in 10th overall in the first session of the day with a 31.940, 1/1000th behind Marcus Stucker in the Inferno Orange Camaro, which put me in third place in KMC. In the second session of the day, I ended up in 11th overall with a 29.902. And again, third place in KMC, this time behind Nico Stucker in the 1LE Camaro.